खर्ची haram hai. Need advice to control myself. Okay. Here's terrible advice. Control yourself. No. I think when people spend a lot of time entertaining themselves, that means they're missing something more important in life, which is a higher purpose. There are many things I think every young man and woman here who has spare income, spare time, should be doing something that improves something around them. Some kind of, even a small change. 1 million people, each bringing 1% change, becomes 1,000,000% change. So don't underestimate the value of positive change that you can bring around you because of the money and the time and the talent and the education Allah has given you. And so this would be my first advice. It's not about control, it's about redirecting your focus to something else. It's not आप shopping कम किया करें या outing कम किया करें. Outing करने का इतना time इसलिए कि उससे ज़्यादा मुफीद चीज़ आपको occupy नहीं कर रही. ये असल बात है. असल बात की तरफ आ जाएं तो वो मसला automatically फिर हल हो जाता है.